Local news for Thursday, the 3rd of September. Transit Group has been granted almost $500,000 from the Low Emission Vehicles Contestable Fund, which is administered by the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Authority. Transit's Transport and Operations Director, Kevin Snellgrove, says the conversion of public transport double-decker buses to electric will be a first in New Zealand. International students who arrived before the border closure have been first to participate in UCOL's Exchange Program, a program to help them settle into life at UCOL and overcome challenges of living in a new country. At the start of the year, 8 Tukana completed a 3-day leadership retreat at the remote Glenburn station. And primary care nurses are striking today, including nurses from the likes of Masterton Medical. The team is advising to only contact the practice if you are unwell and requiring an appointment on the day. If you require a routine appointment, you are to contact them next week. But GPs will be available for any urgent same-day appointments only. And finally in sport, the Wanarapa United men are away to Petone this week, while the women take on Palmerston North Marist. And in hockey, the Daleford men and women both at home this week, taking on Nainai and Karori. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gear.